everyone, this is Sam Create the Heart, and welcome back to another episode of Hello Bluebird. And this is um, just basically this month, I'm going to be showcasing some products from Hello Bluebird. And I guess it just came from, so many of the companies that we love shutting down for various reasons. Now, we have a couple who probably shut down because they want to, because they're retiring. But I feel like it's a hard, but business is hard as it is. So I know that this company has had some issues because they, really it felt like maybe they'd be closing down, but they've been able to continue giving us some really cute releases. So I'm going to make a couple of cards, two really simple cards today, and I'm going to be using these two Stampin' Dies from Hello Bluebird. This one is from 2023. It's called Bloomin' Happy, and I have the die. I might have bought this when they were clearing things out. This one I know I bought when it was a new release. This one's called Sweet Strawberries, also from 2023, and just very cute. I have a lot of strawberry stuff, so I debated whether I was going to keep this one, but I do really like it. So here we go, and let's get into the cards. So what I did for these cards is this is actually, try to debate if I wanted to do, I think I'm going to do it this way. I used some paper that I had in my stash. The other thing I've been trying to do is use my paper. So I have a ton of paper. I'm trying not to buy too much paper, even though I did buy some from Not So Shabby Shop, because I just don't use paper as much as I used to. And I have been using paper recently, and it's been really fun to go kind of back to basics. And so this paper actually is from a like a slimline paper pad. And the next card I make is going to be like a slimline. So then what I did was I just kind of created a collage. So I stamped a bunch of images from these two stamp sets. And then I took all those images and created two collages. So here's the first collage. Uses the big mushroom and the strawberries, just kind of combines it all together. And then we're going to have, I'm going to have it so that it's kind of like this. You can see the green, because otherwise it just will cover up all of the green total. And then I just put this, once I glued everything together and kind of created my collage, then I just put foam on the back. And I just knew that I needed to start making videos and get these processed, so that because all that takes time to like process them and all of that. And so I wanted to just be able to get these out, because I have another company already picked out, because I already did a lot of cards from them, so they're ready to go. And with that company picked out for the next month, and then I have an idea of what I want to do for the month after that. So these sentiments are actually, I keep a little stash of sentiments next to my desk, and I really need to start refilling them. So, and I just kind of search and hope. So here's the first card. I think it came out really, really cute. And then we're going to move on to the next card, which is a slimline. So this is, I think it's 4 by 8, I think is what this one is. And I'm doing the reverse side, which is the rainbow side. And then this piece right here. And so it just gave me an idea, because, I mean, all the companies that we probably buy from, they're all small businesses. I mean, some are larger than others. I think some of them get maybe a little bit bigger promotion. They're able to hire some big name people or have big name people represent their products. Not that I'm a big person at all, the opposite actually. So I did the same thing. I made a collage of all of these little guys, and I'll show you close up when I'm all done. But I just think the more that we can promote companies who might not get as much promotion, I think it's just really great. And you know, I don't want our companies to disappear. And you know, the thing is, it's like I don't craft quite. I mean, I craft in different ways, and you know, we change as we get older. My kids are older. You know, you know, I still work, so I still have, you know, I still got a few years left of work, so I still can make cards for that, for work, for friends and family, and my boyfriend's business. I make Christmas cards every year for that. So there's still lots of places for me to utilize my crafting, but I feel like in some ways I'm kind of slowing down a little bit. And I've got this other sentiment. And so this was really fun. Okay. So here is You Make My Heart Bloom. And just really fun. I think it's a really good idea to make a collage when you've got all these little pieces, you know, and that way you don't lose them too before you have a chance to put them together, because that happens to me. And then here is this one, the A2 size card. Just really fun products from Hello Bluebird. Thanks so much for watching. This is Cindy Ukraine with the Heart.